Students hurry to class at Northwestern University on the outskirts of Chicago. In all, there are around 1,000 Chinese students here. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, there's been an increase in reports across the country of discrimination towards Chinese, Chinese Americans and Asian students, bullying and even physical assaults too. Although the Chinese students at Northwestern we spoke with say they have not been victims of such discrimination, they know that is not the case elsewhere. Edna is a student at the university who didn't want her face to be filmed.
I know like some friends in New York, they get attacked because they are Chinese.
Northwestern officials say they are taking the issue seriously.
In the event anyone, whether that be faculty, staff, student, feels any kind of discrimination because of their national origin or where they've traveled, we've directed them to the Office for what we call the Office for Equity. The majority of people here are really concerned for our population and want to make sure that everyone feels supported through this time.
For Chinese students here, especially those from Wuhan, the last few months have been incredibly stressful. Many simply unable to focus on their studies, knowing loved ones face such difficulties.
And that includes Cynthia Wong, whose family is in Wuhan, the epicenter of the coronavirus.
Especially in the middle of January, I feel very, very depressed for like around 3 weeks. Like, I feel like there is a huge contrast between what's happening in my life and what's happening in my hometown.
Ivy Xie is the president of the Chinese Students and Scholars Association at the university. She says her members do what they can to create a sense of unity.
We try to help like in any way and any means. For example, if someone needs help from Wuhan, and then we voice that up on social media and spread the news to see if anyone or any available person can help them. We're not necessarily from Wuhan, but like all students, we have a tough time, but we will be together and go through that.
The impacts of COVID-19 continuing to unfold, even at universities half a world away. Dan Williams, CGTN, Chicago.